Weed eater, chainsaw carburetors. I'm going to go over not necessarily how to clean them, but one of the number one reasons that newer weed eaters, chainsaws, uh, and the like fail to work or they don't run right is because the carburetors are non-adjustable. This is just a cheap home light weed eater, and I just barely pulled off the carburetor. Let's just show you. You're always going to have a low and a high side needle on almost all carburetors. Some small engine carburetors actually might only have one. The thing is they make them non-adjustable. In the past, this is only a 2-year-old weed eater, but in the past that would be a little screw. You just put your flathead screwdriver in there, adjust it, carburetor's adjusted, you run just fine. The problem is there's no longer a screw head in there. But they do actually sell a special tool that'll fit in those. It'll make you can pay 15-20 bucks for online, or you can just do it yourself. Here's what we do. All this metal built up around the sides of the high and low needle adjustment didn't used to be there on these carburetors. They've built them up so you can't grab a pair of pliers or anything on there and twist those. So it doesn't matter if we cut through those, won't do any damage. So you could do this with a hacksaw blade or the like. I'm going to use a Dremel because it gives you the finest edge. I'm going to cover the inlet and the outlet port with my fingers. They don't need to be perfect, but that allows you now this carburetor is adjustable, tunable. Even if your engine was running good, they set these things to run so lean, to be so few pollutants out there. But with any two-stroke engine, you need a little bit more oil. And a lot of times you can turn the oil up just a little bit. You can turn up the needle a little bit, and it will double the life of the machine. Anyway, but one of the nice things about cutting straight through everything is now you have a reference point to where it was originally set as well. And this is your low side. Generally, to cure an engine that maybe idles fine but doesn't rev up or bogs down is just actually to move that out just a little bit. Or, move them both counterclockwise a little bit. Open them up just a little bit. And just that much of a minute adjustment will generally make your machine run like brand new. Here, I'll just show you. I'll take one out just to show you that it is a needle. And you almost need to do that too if you clean the carburetor, because you need to clean those out. But we'll just take it out. It's a needle. It's a regular carburetor needle. You can take those out. You can spray a little carburetor cleaner in there if you think it's dirty. Don't tell the EPA, but now you have adjustable needles. Make your machine last twice as long. They make these things run so lean. They just burn up. Now we got an adjustable carb. Ooh, first try.